Welcome to Seri, Pom Pom and Friends. Let's join Pom Pom and his friends on an exciting journey through a magical world. This series isn't just for listening, it's for playing too. Let's start the adventure with episode 1 named Fate Brought Us Together. Pom Pom, a soft gray cotton ball, is always full of joy. He's a big fan of raisin cookies and chestnut milk. Despite struggling with math and consistently getting low scores, his dream of becoming a great mathematician keeps him motivated. Zizi, a unique corgi spirit trapped in a cardboard box, is quiet but brilliant. She floats around and surprises everyone with her sudden appearances. Her favorite snack is crispy sunflower seeds, and she dreams of having superpowers to do whatever she wants. Seri is a lively, trusting boy with a penchant for tears. The magical leaf on his head reflects his mood, turning green when he's happy and wilting when he's sad. Zota, a clumsy and drooling dinosaur, is a serious grass muncher. He likes to roam everywhere, nibbling on roadside weeds. After numerous bouts of plants poisoning, Zota has become an amateur botanist, able to easily differentiate between safe and harmful vegetation. How Pom Pom was born. A drop of medicine was accidentally spilled by the scientist into the cotton box. The moment the scientist's back was turned, the cotton ball emitted a little flash of light, and two tiny eyes blinked open. Ta-da! It's Pom Pom, the clumsy cotton ball. Pom Pom fumbled its way out of the box and landed squarely in a raisin cookie. The raisin cookie was so delicious, Pom Pom hugged it and struggled to climb out of the window. The adventure was about to begin. Lucky Pom Pom escaped from the lab and stumbled upon a magical village. As Pom Pom was busy collecting branches and leaves to construct a tiny hut beneath a towering tree, a violent gust of wind swept through, carrying with it a dark shape that landed right before his eyes. Heart pounding, Pom Pom crept closer and was terrified to see a hollow, shadowy face staring back at him. Oh, Zizi is so spooky. Zizi, the short legged corgi, was running happily down the street, a candy bar dangling from its mouth, singing a little tune with its eyes closed. Suddenly, a cardboard box came flying, and the carefree Zizi crashed headfirst into a wall. Zizi was knocked out cold, and its soul popped out of its body. Zizi's soul was drifting aimlessly until a sudden gust of wind dropped it right in front of Pom Pom. Pom Pom spotted a shadowy figure stealthily picking cherries. As Pom Pom got closer, he saw Seri happily munching on the stolen cherries. The homeowner, upon discovering the theft, shouted angrily and grabbed a stick to chase them away. In a panic, Seri grabbed Pom Pom and they both ran away, with the homeowner hot on their heels. The tiny cherry lay withered at the base of the tree, pained by the wounds inflicted by the pesticide. Suddenly, a tiny, beautiful bird swooped down, gently picked up the cherry, and flew high into the sky. While flying over the magical lake, the bird accidentally dropped the cherry. Miraculously, the withered cherry was filled with life, grew arms and legs, and waddled to the shore. Pom Pom was taking a walk when he saw a big green dinosaur sitting by the road, intently counting tiny ants. It was his friend, Zota. While counting, Zota was stuffing his mouth with weeds. Soon, Zota's stomach started rumbling. Pom Pom quickly took Zota to see Dr. Duck. He examined Zota and laughed. Eating so many weeds, no wonder your stomach hurts. From then on, Zota learned a lesson. Counting ants is okay, but eating weeds is not. Episode 1 is over. There are so many interesting things waiting for Pom Pom